All right, go.
Hi everyone, this is Mary at Northwest Sewing Center. Just wanted to let you know Kimberbell Day is coming up on July 27th. Join us here at the store, here at Northwest Sewing Center from 10 to 4 to celebrate the biggest Kimberbell Day of the year.
We'll be joining Kim and her crew to celebrate this worldwide event. All participants will receive an exclusive applique design like this. I believe there's more than one, so that you can put it on something like pouches or aprons, or even build a mini quilt like this. We'll also have in-store kits so that you can build your own mini quilt.
Also, we're going to be doing demonstrations using the clear blue tiles. These are wonderful items that you can use to do your quilting, and you're going to be able to use them on the 4x4 machines as well as the big deluxe machines.
And we'll have new items shipping from Kimberbell the week before, including a really fabulous tote that will hold all of these tools for you.
All these things.
In-store only Kimberbell giveaway as well. So
you
have to be here.
You have to be here at the store
to get the Kimberbell
That's
giveaways.
Right. Special giveaways, and we're going to have food and refreshments, a lot of fun. So come join us on Kimberbell Day on July 27th.